Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Allow your body to find a posture that feels supported, whether you're sitting upright, leaning back, or resting your hands softly in your lap. There's no right way to be here. Simply choose what feels kind to your body at this moment. Let your eyes soften or close, and begin by noticing your breath. Not changing it, not improving it, just witnessing the natural rise and fall. Feel the gentle movement in your chest, your ribs, your stomach. Let each breath remind you that you are here and that this time belongs to you. With every exhale, imagine releasing a little of the tension you've been carrying. The responsibilities, the roles, the expectations that have shaped you. Let them rest beside you for now. You don't have to hold everything at once. This is your space to breathe, to soften, to reconnect. As your breath settles, bring your awareness to your heart space, the quiet center of your being. Imagine a soft, warm light there. It might be golden, white, or any color that feels comforting. Let this light expand gently, filling your chest, your shoulders, your throat. Allow it to move slowly through your body, offering warmth and steadiness wherever it goes. Now in this softened state, I invite you to reflect on the idea of repair. Not as something shameful or hidden, but as something sacred, something human, something that speaks to your resilience. You may carry cracks, emotional, relational, physical, or spiritual. But these cracks are not signs of failure. They are evidence of where you have stretched, survived, and continued. Now, imagine holding a piece of pottery in your hands. Something once whole, but now is gently fractured. Notice how your instinct might be to hide the cracks or glue them invisibly. But in the tradition of Kintsugi, these lines are honored. They are traced with gold. They become the most beautiful part of the piece. Take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine the same golden tenderness being offered to your own story. Not to erase what happened, but to honor the strength it took to keep going. Let yourself feel the possibility that your healing, your repair, your becoming, all of it is worthy of gold. When you're ready, bring your attention to the materials waiting for you. The paints, the brushes, the surface you'll be working on. These are the tools for perfection. They are companions for exploration. They are here to help you express what words cannot hold. As you prepare to begin your art activity, carry this truth with you. You are not fixing yourself. You are honoring yourself. You are tending to the places that deserve gentleness and gold. Take one more slow, grounding breath in through your nose. Feel your feet, your hands, your body, all within the room. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and allow yourself to move into the creative process with softness, curiosity, and compassion. Namaste.